Ho and a hearty welcome back, honey buns. If you're still hungover on the festive spirit, our bees are serving up some of the biggest headlines and hottest deeds of the day. From superstar Rajnikant getting discharged from hospital to Rhea Chakraborty's lawyer demanding that the CBI release their findings, we're giving you a peek inside Salman Khan and Ayaz's birthday bash and more, so stick around. All the Rajni fans can now catch a breather because our favorite superstar has been discharged from the hospital. Rajnikant, who was admitted to a private hospital in Hyderabad due to fluctuations in blood pressure on December 25th, was discharged on Sunday evening, following which he returned to the city. Our bees got in touch with the docs who said that the superstar has been given post-care advice to be followed in addition to medication and diet. He has been advised complete bed rest for 1 week with regular monitoring of blood pressure, minimal physical activity and to avoid anything stressful. Roger that, doc. See you back in action in the new year, Rajni sir. Lighting off some fireworks last night was Rhea Chakraborty's lawyer Satish Minishende, who joined the chorus of fans and even the Maharashtra Home Minister as they urged the CBI to disclose their findings from the SSR case and reveal once and for all if the actor's death was a suicide or murder. It is more than 6 months since SSR died. I have always said that the truth will remain the same whoever investigates the case. Whatever may be the circumstances, the CBI should come out with its findings after 4 months of investigations. It's high time that there's a closure to this sad event, Manishande said in a fiery statement. To read all that he had to say, head on over to E-Times. Adding some sparkle to a mundane Monday was Salman Khan and his darling niece Ayaz Sharma. While Bollywood's Bhaijan kept his birthday party celebrations over the weekend rather private, our bees managed to sneak a peek at all the festivities that went on behind the closed doors at his sprawling Panvel farmhouse. From the cake to the decor and all the gorgeous clicks, we managed to get them all just for you. Meanwhile, enjoying his moments of privacy deep in the Gir National Park is Bollywood star Aamir Khan. The star took a trip to the wild side to celebrate his 15th wedding anniversary with wife Kiran Rao and his family. Some lucky fans got a chance to meet and greet the actor before he drove off into the forest in a special gypsy for his 3-day Gir safari. On the filmy side of life, we have Akshay Kumar who's getting ready to kick off the new year with a new film. Buzz is that the actor will start shooting for Bachchan Pandey with Kriti Sanon in January. The film will have a 30-day schedule in Rajasthan and is likely to go on floors from the first week of January. Much like his other shoots, we hear only about 100 people will travel to Jaisalmer to get the cameras rolling. That's all for today, folks. But with all that's going around in B-Town, you can rest assured that Bolly B will be back with your daily dose of vitamin E. Take care.